Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the recent mails that the candidates have received from Accenture. So this mail is regarding the joining of the candidates. So before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel if you are new to the channel, and check all the latest onboarding updates from the channel. We regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on our channel. You can check the playlist section of our channel to explore more such videos. So the today's onboarding updates are, so we are going to see the latest update on joining from Accenture. We are also going to see the mail that the candidates have received from Accenture, and in that mail the joining date is confirmed. So on which date the candidates are going to join and what you need to be prepared on your first day of joining or before the first day of your joining. So let's start. So the candidates have received this mail wherein it is mentioned that, dear candidates, we are pleased to extend you the opportunity to join Accenture on 1st of December 2022. As you kickstart your career at Accenture, we will be your point of contact and will support you in your smooth transition. You will receive communication from us about your joining formalities. So Accenture onboarding update on the 1st of December. Few freshers are going to onboard on this date. Please be prepared with your documents on your joining day, because it is very important, as this is your first day and you have to submit some of the documents. So please be prepared with it and check your mails. If you are going to join on 1st of December, you will also receive these mails, as not all the new joinees are going to join, but some of them have only got this mail and they are going to join on 1st of December. Make sure, if you have not got your mails, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any queries related to your joining, please ask in the comment section. You can join us on different social media platforms. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. And if you have any doubts related to Accenture joining, you can ask in the comment section. There are many students who have recently joined, and there are many who are waiting for their joinings, so they can answer your doubts, and even if possible I will also answer your doubts. If you have not checked the recent onboarding videos that we have uploaded on our channel related to Wipro, Capgemini and TCS, you can check that too. We regularly upload all the latest onboarding updates on our channel. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching.